So we're out again with four-wheel driving. Hit the beach shortly. Wonder what kind of a weekend this will be. Good to get out. It's going to be really calm, hopefully. Low swells, and we hopefully get to drone and fishing close. So we'll be targeting mulloway, tailor, sharks, pinkies, whatever else we can get our hands on. At this, we are ready. This is unreal. Bit boggy getting in, but we got there. Doesn't seem to be much seaweed. Bit of an onshore breeze, but nothing ridiculous. We should be able to have a crack. There goes the sun. It's going to start getting cold. Cheers to everyone. Alright, it's nightfish time. We're in the spot right before the sun's gone. Jesse's over to the right. I'm on the left. We'll see what happens. You just don't want to get tangled on each other. Might need to put a grappling or sinker on yet. It is so not as cold as I would have thought, but it is getting pretty cold. Pretty cool. I think our microphone's going to be good tonight, but it will be good to test in sort of like a, it's kind of like a steady south-southwest. Getting genuine bites. That was crazy. That was a definite fish. Could have been a small tailor. Let's go again. Need that charger.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a 5 metre mulloway.
He's going for the world. You went for WA. Next stop, the world.
Bigger than South Africa. Their catch over there. We're talking 100 kilo mulloway.
All right. Dawn's cracked. We're out again. Feel this water's going to come in. Alright, we're in the water. We've got 3 rods out. Jesse's got his out, makes 4. Nothing really happening yet. It's better cast. Come on, Hedges. Come on. Come on, take it. I think we've got one. Hez is out there, mate. Oh. I nearly hooked up then. I nearly hooked up. It's still there. Oh, it's giving me a little bit of head shake action now. At least I know it's not a ray. Rays just run, mate. It just feels like a shark, eh? Could be a small pinky. Oh! Yeah, maybe it was at first. This is good, man. It's a good fish. Might be a shark. Oh, there it is. What is it? I thought I saw a pink then. It's pretty heavy. No. I was getting head shakes about, oh, there it goes, head shake again. Oh, what are you? I think it might be a pinky. Yeah, I know. Just don't want to lose him. Still can't see it, eh?
Shark.
Oh, it's a big wob. That is a decent wob. Yes. Ha ha ha. Yeah, please. Wicked. That is a monster. I think that's a PB for me. Woo!
Yeah, I might have something small on.
Yeah. He's decent size. Nothing happening on the drone, so I don't think I've hit the spot this time. Send again. Looks like all my baits are gone.
Yeah.
Didn't see anything biting though. I'll run straight away here. Come on. whiting. Next whiting is going on in close, and we'll get the drone rig on. So we're throwing a whiting out there in the hopes that something gets it. Can we take off yet? Come on. Might have a fish on, yes we do. Got two. Not bad. Oh, that's a good bite. Let's get you in. Oh, did you get off? Big whiting. That's a decent one. That's a big one, eh? Oh, there's fish everywhere. There we go. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Big ones. These are huge whiting, mate. Unbelievable. It's a great slab of meat we got there. Well, good session, great trip. Can't wait to come back here again. Who knows what the weather will bring up. Thanks for watching.